So yeah, this happened. The number 9 on my numpad stopped working after installing Arco V3 Cream Yellow Pro switches on my Keychron C2 keyboard. So I decided to take it apart and try to fix it. After removing the frame off camera by wedging a credit card between the gaps, I removed all of the screws and separated the PCB from the rest of the case. After flipping it over, you can clearly see the hot swap socket was loose and no longer making contact with the board. I managed to solder the socket back on. And lo and behold, it started working again. Since I've got it opened up, I decided to perform a couple of mods, first one being the tape mod. I carefully placed 3 strips of masking tape forming the first layer and repeated the process another 2 times for a total of 3 layers. After trimming off the excess, it was now ready to poke some guide holes through the tape for the screws. Using a metal pick, I was able to quickly make some guide holes and then enlarged them using a screwdriver. The PCB was now ready to be reinstalled. However, before I do that, I bought some automotive sound deadening foam. I couldn't get my hands on some kilmat, so used this instead. After cutting it to size and sticking it to the board, I pressed the foam through the plastic standoffs where the screws would go into. I repeated the process on the right-hand side, poking holes with the pick tool first, which made things a bit easier. It was time to put everything back together. Because the sound deadening foam was so much thicker than the kilmat, it was quite difficult getting the PCB in place. But after some effort, I managed to align all the holes and screwed the whole thing down. Next was the plastic cover, and it snaps into place around the keyboard very easily. With the keycaps back on, it was time for the final sound test, comparing the sounds before and after the mods. It was worth it, right? Right? Please tell me it was worth it.